forgot what I was gonna say.
You have another term for ass.
I had another term for ass. I forgot, but that's the thing. I forgot the term for ass.
Can we start the video?
It's like.
Guess not. Guess.
Okay, Jose.
Those credits.
Instead of ass, we say like ham schlappums.
The ham slappers.
All right, start it, please.
Ham schlaps.
Start the fucking video, Dylan, please. I'll start the video.
Hey guys, what's going on here? It's Dylan. What's up? Let's go. Hey, Avail. I will be right.
Look at these ham slaps.
Perfect.
Cleanse your palates, gentlemen.
You gotta get your vocals in there. Another mini boss.
Just stand there. You're gonna get hit now. You have to hit him 8 times. No, go left a little bit. Go left a little bit. Yeah, there you go. 2. He shoots 2. Okay, well, you'll get it. You'll get it. He does 2 of those.
I didn't know that.
He does 2 of those little sine waves.
All right, and then you hit him.
And then you hit him. You can hit him like 3 or something times. He's 8 times in total. And you have the flare wand too, so you can add more damage with that. So give me the controller.
No, I want to play. Give me play.
Why are you holding a box?
Huh?
What if that box has like ticks in it?
Because Dylan's the box was.
Ew! Don't touch it with that. Ew!
This game's mad easy, bro. You should actually cut out the first game, so it just looks like I'm mad good. Just be like, yeah, no, I'm undefeated today.
Like we're just talking over this game. We just air it twice.
I've never played the game before. Listen.
I'm sorry. Keep going.
I've never played the game before.
Keep going. 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 Dylan.
I've never played the game before.
Dylan. Keep going.
I fell off the map again.
Well, boy, look at
What
him.
if that's not even Dylan? That's some crazy shit.
What if
That's
it's just like
completely
someone
different.
just grabbed Dylan and like ate him, and like comes out and it kind of resembles Dylan, but me and you both know it's not Dylan.
There's nothing back there but one single door.
I don't trust you.
And it says
What's Dylan's middle name?
Do not enter.
What's Dylan's middle name?
Charles?
All right, you good?
Don't pick sports.
Please pick sports. Joey, love me.
Pick.
Joey, love me.
Yes, Dylan, that's free.
That's free. Let's go.
What hockey coaches?
Still, like.
Oh yeah. I regret choosing this.
I actually don't know this.
The Bears.
I know I'm wearing a college hat, but like
Hey, which college hat are you wearing?
Stanford Wolfpack.
Texas Longhorns. Oh yeah. Well, how about we go with
You should pick Washington.
no.
You should pick Washington or pick West Virginia.
should pick LSU.
Washington State Cougars, bro.
Yeah.
You're an asshole.
Bro, come on. I told you not to pick it.
LSU, right? Steals glass.
Yo, I mean, some baseball stats and Rocket League and rap no one's heard of.
You have a mustache. It doesn't work. Bro, I would like psychoanalyze Bobby at that point. Like Bobby would crumble.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, bro.
See, this is what it's about.
It's okay, bro.
That's what it's about.
When he took
Friendship.
my glasses, my first instinct was I'm gonna beat this, but I was like, oh wait, it's Bobby. Never mind. We're good. We're chill.
We're gonna be here for an entire episode.
Yeah. Look, he doesn't jump. Look, boy, he doesn't jump. He barely makes it. He barely makes it. He fucking barely makes the shit.
You gotta time the fireballs a little better, Dylan.
It goes right over his head. That's not my fault.
Twisted Psycho.
66.
This guy's a fucking psycho. It's
Yo,
twisted.
66.
Yeah.
It's 3 numbers away.
From
63.
Like a pre-vid.
what are you doing?
I'm different, bro.
That could be a
I'll
fucking-
shove you inside this Lincoln MKZ.
Bro, the Lincoln MKZ with the 5-star safety rating.
Oh, of course, bro.
Voted
Three years
IIHS
voted in a
safety
row.
pick of 2012.
3 years in a row, bro. Crazy.
That last one probably isn't true.
Okay, go. Oh, you did it, Dill. That's crazy. You could get more than that.
I know, but you're like, oh, don't concentrate, because now you're not talking. And now I'm not fucking concentrating, and now I'm not fucking falling for 5 seconds.
Dylan, you're blowing out the audio, man. You did it. There you go. Good job. I always had faith in you, Dylan.
So you know how like we used to end every podcast or video and we go like, Jerry, do something.
Yeah.
I'm making an executive decision, and I'm gonna be doing something.
You gonna do something?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm just gonna give some advice though.
Okay.
So what I do, like if I ever see like an old person walking across the street, and they're going really slow.
Yeah.
Like they're taking like the hand is like beeping and they're not even like a quarter of the way.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what I do is I run because I want to show them what they used to be. And just give them a big like rude awakening. Like, hey, I know like you can't walk, bro. Like your life is like, man.
Why are you making me laugh at this? It's so fucked up.
Because I was like walking across the street and there was like an old Asian lady and she was like really old. She had like the cart with the tennis balls at the bottom, you know? And I was just like... Alright guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe.